Maybe you are wondering what's so special about cheesecake. What if I told you the secret to a mind-blowing delicious cheesecake isn't a secret at all? Prepare to unlock the mysteries behind the perfect golden crust, that silken smooth filling, and that unforgettable flavor that will have everyone begging for your recipe. And this is how you make it. You need to blend the biscuits. 140 grams of butter biscuits will do the job. Put the biscuits in the blender and blend them properly. I added a little more biscuits than the recipe called for. After baking you will see what happens, because there has to be a certain harmony between the biscuits and the other ingredients. Put the blended biscuits into a bowl. Blend 50 grams of nuts. Almonds or walnuts work well. Add the blended nuts to the bowl with the biscuits. 50 grams of melted butter. Mix the whole mixture and you can already see that I have added more biscuits than I should have. Once we bake the cake, you will see what happens. Put the whole mixture into a baking form with baking paper. Spread the mixture over the bottom of the form with a tablespoon and press it down well. My form has a diameter of 23 centimeters. If you want to make higher edges, you will need to add more butter. Then place the form in the fridge. Put 2 medium eggs in a bowl, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 20 grams of vanilla sugar. Beat the eggs and sugar into a cream. The vanilla sugar gives the filling a subtle hint of flavor. You did a great job. Grate the zest of 1 lemon. 600 grams of plain cream cheese. Then mix the whole mixture until smooth. You have to taste the cream to see if there is enough sugar and lemon in it. Be careful, it is so good that you will want to eat it all, so take it easy, leave some for the cake, and remember there are raw eggs. Pour the cream into the form and spread it. Bake in a preheated oven at 140 to 150 Celsius for 1 hour. Then turn off the oven. Do not open it and leave the cake inside for 30 minutes. Do you know what happens when you are impatient and touch a cheesecake that hasn't cooled down completely? The crust of the cake has a caramelized layer that sticks to your finger and leaves a hole behind. Do you remember how we talked about the ratio of biscuits to butter at the beginning? If you use too little butter, the crust will crumble. No big deal, because it will still taste good and everyone will ask for seconds. Do you also like cakes? Write in the comments what kind of sweets you like best. If you haven't seen it yet, I have a pineapple or carrot cake on my channel.